Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your CV to the Naukri Job Search application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that, tap on this profile icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on profile at the top, scroll down to this attach resume section and click on upload. Select from these three options whether you would like to upload your CV from your device, Dropbox or via email. So if you tap on device, you can select a file from your files, so you can use the search bar in order to find your CV. And after that, tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, it is being uploaded as it is shown, so you need to wait a few seconds till it is uploaded, and then it will appear at the previous section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.